It's June 28th at 12 o'clock. I'm here to buy fireworks. Fireworks stands are officially open. First, what? TNT? Where is everybody? Hello? Hello? TNT? Are you in here? Well, that's spooky. I was told at June 28th at 12 o'clock, it's 12 o'clock, the fireworks will be open. Just kidding, guys. So, I can't flip my camera around. So yeah, it's midnight on June 28th. Congratulations, you can now buy fireworks in 12 hours. Yeah, just wanted to show you guys and let you guys know, if you were still wondering, fireworks stands open today on June 28th at midnight. There we are. We're not open yet. Just want to do a little update video and some debauchery for you guys. All right. We did it. We made it. Just a couple more days to the 4th, where they store their fireworks. It's in this inconspicuous cargo container. So, you know, I'm not telling you guys to, you know, do any evil stealing things, but yeah, all that stuff's in there, if you're wondering. Who knew that there wouldn't be anybody out at midnight? I could have sworn Beast in his video said 12 o'clock. What the hell? Ooh, check out the red lights. Hold on. Where are the red lights? Come on. Do it. There they are. Oh, yeah.
Right, it's June 28th at 12 o'clock. I came all the way with my flip-flops and socks, and we made it to a TNT stand. I've been waiting for like 10 months, 12 months for June 28th at 12 o'clock. I watched Pete's video. He said June 28th at 12, hello, 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock on June 28th. Hello? 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 Is there any fireworks in here? Well, okay. Guess I walked all this way and my flippy flop is for nothing.
Fireworks. I have the worst assortments ever. Oh no, my stupid TNT, I hate you.